Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we're going pigeon hunting at the farm. Now there's not a lot of pigeons there at the farm, but we usually go over there in the summer a few times of the month, and they like to sit up in the rafters where the steers sleep. They're pretty dumb over there, so because they never get shot at, and we can't use shotguns because one time someone did that and the cows broke out of the fence and it scared them all. So it's just gonna be a straight pellet gun hunting video. And then if we shoot any, we might cook them up, do a little shoot and cook, and see. Because I've only had pigeon once, and I don't know if I cooked it right, but we'll cook it up again and try it out. One more thing, make sure you guys turn on those post notifications so you know when we have a video live. I'm on my way to go meet up with Dustin. He's a big pigeon grinder. I'm meeting him at McDonald's, and then we're gonna go over to the farm. The farm.
Give me that top with no handed. Yeah, I got standards. I get the guap, got more jealous. I got standards. Take your bitch to the Ritz, not no standard. No outlanders. Diamond nail flanders. Ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah, yeah. I got standards. Diamond nail flanders. Put up this console. Let me move in close. Your hand resting on the steering wheel. Show me how that feels. Baby, drive me crazy. You can drive it up on 15.
Se quedaron con las ganas, no me pudieron tumbar, me pusieron una trampa.
Just pulled up to the farm. Added these new grain bins. Four of them. Yes, the pigeons sit on them sometimes, but they just took out their big blue silos because the barn burned down 3 years ago. So they don't sit in that anymore. I'll show you what they sit in. They sit in those right there. There's two of them. One behind this Freightliner. But we'll see if we can pop out a few here. Tell me about your gun.
Gamma bone collector, 1300 FPS. Killed like 17 pigeons with it so far.
There's two right there. But they sit on the top of the steer barns, are they? Sit in the rafters, you'll see. If I can sneak up on them.
Hey Randy, how's it going? You got any pigeons in here? Is that a no? There's one.
Oh. Yep.
I can't even see it in my scope.
Nice shot.
Thanks, man. I can't even see it. Are there any more in here, dude? There was so many in here. What? Coming in, fellers.
Not bad coloring on this one. It's got like some white on the back. White feathers, I don't know, it's kind of cool. No bands, Dustin's on the move, he sees some.
They're all out in the field. There's a dog.
Back into the barn.
Did it go back in the barn?
Yep.
Oh, there's some on top of the bins. Two of them.
Is he gonna land though?
Three of them. I just folded it. I literally couldn't see it. I just knew where it was.
Number two.
Grinding them.
Did you get him? I couldn't tell.
Yeah, I did. There's another one. There's another one.
Did you store for 3 for 3? switching batteries, but we got 3 so far. Dustin has missed 1, but he shot it. Feathers flew, you could see that, but they're tough birds. Honestly, they have some pretty tough skin. But grab my new battery. I'm not sure if you can see the brown one kind of in the middle, but that's the one that Dustin's aiming for. He's gonna sneak up on him somehow. I don't know how he's gonna do this. Oh, he's mad. We're gonna sit in one of the barns where they come in, because this is where they're going, in this barn. So we're gonna sneak over to a spot and get in a good position.
Look at this leg. It's going to land in the pasture. That one's not getting fetched.
It's in the pile of cow and mud. I'm gonna retrieve it. This is gonna be disgusting, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna get it. Gonna need a stick or something. Out of all the spots in this pasture, Buddy landed in a water pool of mud and cow. Nice. I found a pitchfork. One more. Perfect. Hopefully it reaches this little feller. I don't even know if it will. We'll find out. Oh, oh, oh. Uh-oh. Oh, whoa, buddy. Whoa, not okay. Not okay. This is why you don't wear flip-flop. Oh, I just lost a flip-flop. I just lost a flip-flop. I just lost a flip-flop somewhere in this mud. Oh, God. I found it. There she is. Oh, my God. That is disgusting. Okay. Don't wear flip-flops when you're hunting. There's one in that hole. Can't see it. I think you got it.
Did it go down over there?
I can't see it in my camera. Didn't fly out the hole though. Whatever. Oh, I thought you stabbed it, bro. It's all pigeon
Bro, that's
poo.
a pigeon.
Oh, what? That is disgusting. Well, we got 5 pigeons down. One's stuck in the barn. One's stuck in the mud hole. Dustin's hit one more. Flew away. I mean, 5 pigeons with the pellet gun. Not bad. Well, we're calling it quits. I'm gonna run to Walmart, grab some teriyaki sauce and some bacon, and then we're gonna wrap them in bacon, marinated in teriyaki sauce. See if it's good. Just grabbed some bacon, applewood, and then I got teriyaki sauce as a marinade. But I don't know how it's gonna taste with that combo. I haven't had a pigeon in a long time, so I'm gonna breast them. I'm gonna keep that part out just because YouTube is really liberal now. I'll get back to you guys once I have them cut. I just got them breasted, and they're not. You can almost compare pigeon breasts to teal breasts, I guess. I mean, they're not big at all, but it'll do good for a snack. But I'm gonna marinate them, and then wrap them in bacon. Shove them in the grill. I'm gonna give it like 10-15 minutes just to let the teriyaki sauce soak into the breasts, and then I'll wrap them in bacon. But I don't know, I'm kind of excited to see what they taste like. Just finished marinating and wrapping them in bacon. I'm not gonna lie, if you say that doesn't look good, then I don't know what you are, but they look pretty good to me. So I'm gonna put them on the grill and give them some time. Took them off the grill. I let the bacon kind of cook a little longer than I wanted it to. I wanted to make sure the meat got cooked all the way, because I like my meat medium. But I'm gonna cut into it, see what it looks like, and then try it out. Well, here it goes. Pigeon wrapped in bacon, marinated in teriyaki sauce. I can't really describe what it tastes like. It's not bad. It's not good. Or great. I mean, it's good. I mean, I'd eat it again for sure. Actually, I'm gonna eat this piece right now. It's actually really good. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit post notifications so you know when we upload a new video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.